What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the Hover Star motion controlled UFO from Walmart. And you guys might remember that I had something very similar to this on the channel already. So this type of drone is basically for someone who just looking to have some fun, just seeing this thing fly around and all, because you don't control it with a transmitter at all. You just use your hands and put your hands in front of it and all to make it fly in the direction that you want. You can also put your hand under it to make it climb in altitude because it has a sensor on the bottom too. This thing has infrared sensors all around it. There's 4 of them on the sides. These little black things that you see on the sides are the infrared sensors, and it has one on the bottom, none on the top. So there's no way to stop it from climbing. It does that automatically with the barometer. And so basically you just turn this thing on, toss it in the air, and it starts flying, and you're having fun with it by putting your hand in front of it and making it fly in different directions and stuff. This thing is probably just geared towards children, but I guess an adult can have some fun with this as well. And you can walk right into your Walmart and pick this thing up now. So does it work? The one that I had on the channel worked pretty well. So I'm happy to say that this one works the same, almost. This one doesn't spin around as fast as the other one did, but this one does have some lighting in it, and it does work just about the same, if not better, than the one that I had on the channel previously. So I have tried this in a small room, and it has flown successfully without banging all into the walls and all. So this thing seems to work pretty well. The shape is a little different. It's shaped a little more like a UFO. It has this little pod on the top now. And this thing is a go, if you ask me. I think it's a lot of fun for little kids. My kids love these type of little UFOs and all. They run around screaming and putting their hand in front of it and stuff like that, making it fly off in different directions. And this thing is fun to watch fly around. This one spins a little slow, about that speed, so it actually looks like it's being controlled. So it looks pretty neat when it's flying and floating around. Pretty awesome little UFO. It doesn't have a removable battery or anything for that matter that comes with it, except for the charging port and this paperwork here, which is an instructions manual. You don't get any spare props or anything because they're not expecting you to lose any props and all. And so pretty easy enjoyment with this one. Really nothing to worry about. No hassle with learning to fly or anything. Just toss this thing in the air. So let's go check this thing out. Alright y'all, we got this little motion controlled UFO drone from Walmart. Let's test it out. Turn it on. It says to drop it like this. It's going down. Oh, it's trying to come. It's down pretty low. Let's see if we can get it to go up. Okay, it's going up. I guess it's sensing the floor. It's not reacting very well to my hand to go up. Oh, there it is. You have to come really close to it. So this one doesn't spin around as fast as the other one. This one spins around kind of slow. Let's see if it reacts. Okay. So it's going well. Uh-oh, let's see how it handles this. So it's descending a little. Uh-oh. He's still in the air. Oh, got the plant. Okay, so I guess you can say it works. It's not really going down or anything. It's staying in the air. It's sensing when I put my hand next to it. It's sensing the walls and everything around it, even the curtains. And so this thing works. And so they say to stop it, you just grab it. And so it stopped when I grabbed it. Let's toss it again. And it's back in the air. So to stop it, they say just turn it upside down. So I guess it's fair to say that this thing works. So I can see this thing being fun for little kids to just toss it up in the air and watch it fly around on its own and not crash into any walls or anything. So this thing actually works. A motion sensing drone from Walmart for cheap. Thanks for watching.